Hi, this is Mr. Pankaj, Chef Pankaj. He's making Crozo. He's working with Ramada Gurga Center. He's a bakery chef. It's a morning breakfast, baked eggs which he is making. See how we are going to roll this, and then after that we just keep it over here for proving. It's basically technique how to roll it, then only we'll get an exact shape after baking. So we'll keep this for proving. This is the final product which we got after making.